In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the non-tradable symbol error in TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First off, let's acknowledge that encountering a non-tradable symbol error can be frustrating, especially when you're eager to execute trades. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it smoothly. Let's start by heading to TradingView website. You can simply type TradingView into your preferred search engine and click on the first link to get started. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look for the Charts section. You can find this option typically displayed prominently on the main page. Click on it, and this will take you to the charting interface where you usually analyze your trades. Now that you're on the charting interface, you may have noticed an error message indicating that a certain symbol isn't tradable. This often relates to the connection with your broker. Rest assured, this is a common scenario and we can resolve it by reconnecting to your brokerage account. The first step in this section is to log out of your broker through the TradingView platform. Don't worry, this is a simple step. After logging out, you'll need to try to press the buy or sell button, even if you're currently unable to place a trade. This action can sometimes reset the connection and clear out temporary glitches that caused this error. Once you've done that, the next step is to reconnect your broker. You can do this by navigating back to your account settings on the TradingView platform. Look for the section where it allows you to connect to your broker and proceed to log back in with your account credentials. After reconnecting your broker, you are almost there. Now it's time to action that trade you wanted. To ensure everything is set, go ahead and add another order just as you would in a typical trading scenario. This additional order is intended to test whether everything is functioning correctly post-reconnection. Once you've added that order, you should be good to go. If all goes well, you'll notice that you can execute trades normally without encountering the non-tradable symbol error again. Just like that, you've successfully navigated the troubleshooting process. If you still find the error persisting after trying these steps, don't hesitate to check for announcements from TradingView regarding any outages or broker-specific issues. Also, consider reaching out to their support team for more personalized assistance. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. And there you have it, a straightforward way to tackle the non-tradable symbol error in TradingView. If you've followed these steps and are now back to trading without a hitch, be sure to share your experience in the comments below. For more tips and tricks on trading tools and platforms, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!